Spam Slaya AI just dropped, and after testing it out across multiple real-world campaigns, there are 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know. Before diving in, whether you're tired of wasting hours dealing with cold outreach that goes nowhere, or you're just curious if this best just released AI software is actually worth it, watch this till the end because what I found may surprise you. And yes, you can. Try Spam Slaya AI completely free from the first link below. I'll show you what makes it stand out, but there's one specific feature near the end that might be a total game changer if you send any kind of cold email. So let's get into it. Right off the bat, Spam Slaya AI is built for digital marketers, sales teams, and solo founders who rely on email outreach to grow. But unlike generic AI tools, Spam Slaya is focused on one thing: getting your emails into inboxes, not spam folders. Now here's what impressed me. First, the software audits your email content in seconds and flags words or structures that are known to trigger spam filters. It's not just basic stuff like free in all caps. It goes way deeper, analyzing tone, punctuation, even subject line psychology based on thousands of data points. Next, the warm-up tool. Most people overlook this, but Spam Slaya AI includes an automated inbox warm-up system that actually builds sender reputation before you even start your campaigns. This is something I usually pay extra for with other tools, but here, it's baked in. Another smart feature is real-time spam score tracking. You don't have to guess whether your message will get delivered. Spam Slaya gives you a live score and adjusts suggestions as you edit your content. It's like having a deliverability coach on your shoulder. Then there's the testing. You can simulate how your message will appear in Gmail, Outlook, and other clients, and it even tells you if your email will land in promotions instead of primary. That level of insight is rare in AI tools, especially ones this affordable. The UI is clean and fast. You don't need to be technical. Whether you're writing your first cold email or optimizing a massive outbound campaign, Spam Slaya just works and fast. Oh, and if you're running domains across different ESPs or warming multiple inboxes, it handles multi-domain setups without needing to duct tape other tools together. Here's the part I didn't expect. The AI actually suggests rewrites based on your intent, not just what's wrong. That's big. It doesn't just say fix this, it tells you how, using copywriting logic that matches what actually converts. If you've used tools like MailReach or SmartLead, you'll immediately notice Spam Slaya's edge in usability and real-time feedback. It's not trying to be everything. It's just focused on making sure your email lands in the right place. Now here's what I recommend. Give it a shot using the free trial from the link in the description. It's zero risk, and you'll see right away if it fits into your workflow. And stick around because I've tested thousands of AI tools, and I've listed my top recommended AI softwares. All free to try down in the description as well. If you're serious about growth, these tools can save you time and money. Thanks for watching. Go try Spam Slaya AI now and let me know how it works for you.